Trulli and Jensen Button. Row 4, Heinz Branson, Jack Gilbert. Row 5, Pedro Diniz and Ralf Schumacher. Row 6, Alexander Wurz and Ricardo Zonta. Row 7, Jos Verstappen, Nico Salo. Row 8, Giancarlo Fisichella and Nick Heidfeld. Row 9, Eddie Irvine and Freddy De La Rosa. Row 10, Johnny Herbert and John Bliss. Schumacher released very well. Axel Olsen third, Jack Miller in fourth, David Coulthard in fifth, Ricardo Zonta in sixth, Eddie Irvine in seventh, Pedro Menez in eighth, Nick Heidfeld in ninth, and Alexander Lutz in tenth. The drivers having gone to the weigh-in come up towards the rostrum. And little moments before they go on to the rostrum, wait. Historic rostrum in just a few minutes' time. What really happens is all about traditions and history. This will be the first time that we have drivers on the victory podium. So a special moment for all of you race fans to watch. The three drivers now head out to the victory podium. Of the state of Indiana.
The first time we've been here, and I guess nobody of us expected to have such a great welcome from the American fans, although it's probably not only American because they came here from all over the world. But seeing so many people here celebrating with us this victory 1-2 for Ferrari, it's, yeah, the best.
Well, the car was really good. The setup was really nice. I think the only downside of the race was that I stopped maybe 4 or 5 laps too early, because even though I was struggling with the wet tires, I probably was at least 2 seconds faster on the wets than on the dry.
I had to go flat out. At the end, Jacques Villeneuve was coming up close, and also he tried to overtake me down to the first corner once. Luckily, he didn't make it, but I had really a hard race today. I was fighting for every tenth today.